Making a delicious apple pie involves several steps, but is a rewarding process that results in a delightful dessert perfect for any occasion. Here is a clear and complete guide on how to make an apple pie from scratch. First, gather the necessary ingredients. For the crust, you'll need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter, chilled and cut into small pieces, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 to half a cup of ice water. For the filling, you'll need 6 to 8 large apples, Granny Smith, Honeycrisp, or a mix, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. Start with the crust. In a large bowl, mix the flour and salt. Add the chilled butter pieces and use a pastry blender or your fingers to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add the ice water, stirring with a fork until the dough starts to come together. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts, shape each half into a disc, wrap them in plastic wrap, and chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. While the dough is chilling, prepare the filling. Peel, core, and slice the apples into thin slices. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sliced apples, granulated sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, salt, flour, and lemon juice. Toss everything together until the apples are well coated with the mixture. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Roll out 1 disc of dough on a lightly floured surface to fit a 9-inch pie dish. Transfer the dough to the pie dish and gently press it into the bottom and up the sides, leaving some overhang. Pour the apple filling into the crust, spreading it out evenly. Dot the filling with the small pieces of butter. Roll out the second disc of dough and place it over the filling. Trim any excess dough from the edges and crimp the edges together to seal the pie. Cut a few small slits in the top crust to allow steam to escape. If desired, you can brush the top crust with an egg wash, 1 beaten egg mixed with a tablespoon of water, for a golden finish. Place the pie on a baking sheet to catch any drips and bake in the preheated oven for 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. If the edges of the crust start to brown too quickly, cover them with foil to prevent burning. Once the pie is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack. Let the pie cool for at least 2 hours before slicing and serving to let the filling set. Enjoy your homemade apple pie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream.